Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Cursed City mini. This week it is one of the Vyrkos Bloodborne, like the vampire things on the columns. It was primed in black and given a white zenithal highlight. I'll start off with Apothecary white for all of the skin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. I also stream on Twitch if you want to come and hang out. I stream Wednesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Next up is another contrast paint with Blood Angels Red, for all of that hair that this creature's got over them. While waiting for the contrast to dry, I used dark stone to do the column and rubble on the base. I also took this opportunity to do the strap holding the armor piece on. For the metal parts, I went with gunmetal. The eyes and mouth needed a little bit extra of spark compared to the rest of it, so I used magic blue to make them pop. Now this is the part that probably scared me the most. I used a watered down purple tone over all of the creature. This I'm hoping is to stain the skin a bit of a purple tint, and leave like a purple shadow almost in the recesses. To finish up the creature, I grabbed skeleton bone to do the nails and the teeth. Moving on to the base, I start off with a once over of black. Next up is a dry brush of cold grey over the entire base, including the column that I done earlier. I follow up with another dry brush of Stonewall Grey. There is a vine on the base, so I'll use green skin to get that coloured in and add a little bit extra to the base instead of just grey. To finish up the base, I went with an all over wash of strong tone. And that will be it for the Vyrkos Bloodborne. I kept this one simple as I've been trying to get the number of colours I use down to sort of a minimal amount instead of using all these different colours that I normally do. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or join Discord using the link in the description. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. If you want to support the channel more than you already are, check out my Ko-fi page where you can drop a one-off tip towards helping me get some new equipment and just improve the general quality of the videos. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.